Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family, and I'm coming to you live from Kenya. And today, guys, I'm gonna make this video, guys, to show you how much we're helping people to get settled there in Kenya. And if you're looking to come to Kenya, link up with Jam Tours. You know what I mean? You get the real deal with Jam Tours, no scam. You know what I mean? Your thing will be top notch and everything will be legalized and regularized, family. So I'm here with a Jamaican brother. He actually, you know what I mean? I met him yesterday at Jamrock and we chop up some conversation. He say he want to actually, you know what I mean? Today is the open at Loftel. He say he want to come look at the apartment at Loftel because he want to get a one-bedroom or a studio for himself. He have other apartment back in Kilimani and Kileleshwa and all of those places. But a lot of people, when they come to Kenya, they don't get a chance to actually, you know what I mean, know about Kembo. Almost everybody I met, they never know that this place actually exists. And when they come, they don't want to leave. You know, that's why you see all of my Jamaican friends, them actually live near and close by me, are in my estate family. So, you know what I mean? That's what I want to do. I just want to show people that when you come to Kenya, you know what I mean, there's a place that you can feel at home, and you know what I mean, for your kids and your family. You know, so this side is more homey, and the other side, Kilimani side, is more for like people, you know, fast-pacing people who like to party and do things, and you know what I mean? You know, it's good for business too, but I like this side. Kembu is my side, more relaxed, laid back, you know what I mean? And you know, it's more homey family. So I just want to show people, you know what I mean, if they like this side, they can stay at this side, and I'm just knowing one side, you know what I mean? So this is where Jam Tours is for. So my brother is coming. I'm waiting for him right now. You know, we're gonna show him a little around Kimbo and actually show him the apartment. Also, he said he needs to get a bank account, and he's leaving for Ghana tomorrow. So we're trying to match that up today, so he can actually have his bank account and stuff for it. So family, so let's do this, family. Continue watching this vlog, like, share, and comment. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, support for support, love for love, peace for peace, sunlight for sunlight. Let's go. Yeah, man. So the man there, big up, man. See the man, yeah.
Bless up. You see?
Yeah. So we're up on a Jam Tours run today, guys. I just want to share the experience with you. I want to get him review because it's the first time I'm coming on this side, right?
Yeah, I'm not coming.
So I'm just going to take him around and show him. You know, this is my side. I like this side because it's homey and nice. So we're going inside my estate.
Not too crowded.
Not too crowded. Yeah, man. Forward in. Yeah, man. So yeah, so the thing set. So yeah, so it's good when you have like places all over. Yes or no? It's a place where you can actually live, have your family, and you know what I mean? Everything nice. You know what I mean? I have your business over so Kilimani and stuff. Over there's a fast pace. Over here, so I come up so fast.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, very fast.
There's a fruit stand right there, sir.
Yeah, the fruit stand right there, so I have a juice stand, natural juice place, so I get my juice and stuff.
You gonna make your own?
Eh?
You gonna make your own?
Make my own still, you know, but you know what I mean?
So you're on the run.
Me on the run, so yeah, a juice bar, so I normally get my thing.
Yeah.
Right there, so yeah. Yeah, man, so the thing set, man. Yeah. That new apartment is that it new. Oh. So people who buy them and rent it out back. Is that what I'm saying?
You know.
Eh?
We know on the rush thing, you know. So
no problem, man.
I like the new thing them.
Yeah, the new thing them better, man. But you know them also there a long time.
Yeah.
But it's just the environment good.
If you're not going to work out, man.
Yeah. Hey family, so there's a 2-bedroom right beside Jam Tours. So if you want to be Jam Tours neighbor, you can.
Alright, sir.
2-bedroom right there, so you know what I mean? So if you come to Kenya and you feel like you want to relax and chill, homey, because a lot of people link me up and I tell me, say, yo, Jam Tour, I really want to find a wife like your one. I really want this, and you know what I mean? A lot of people link me up. People link me up and tell me, say, yo, if you talk to talk to this girl to find out if them real and things.
Right one. Don't find the scammer then.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Very important.
Yeah.
Wife material.
Yeah, man, because that we come and find out, man. We come and build the family and
So
build
the right
back
place to be for a vegetarian, man.
and spread the. Yeah, because food over here good, man.
We trust
I
organic.
love it, man.
You want a place where you can plant your garden and things.
Yeah, man, all that. Yeah,
That's
all
why you
that.
want the land, you can even plant the thing there. So lift your so and still plant the thing there. So.
Yeah, man.
And just go up every week. Once a week and just go reap.
Go reap, yeah.
Have somebody go and manage it for you, go and get them a change. You know what
Yeah,
I'm
man.
saying?
Yeah, man, for real, man.
Yeah, man, I reap the thing for you.
Yeah, family. So the brother said, he feel like him down America.
Gated community.
Gated community. Yeah.
Pretty much safe.
Yeah.
Security guard
Security
every
tight,
corner.
every corner. Security guard every corner.
So nobody can't really bother you. This is
Yeah,
good,
yeah.
man. And you have your garbage thing right there. You
Garbage
put the
thing right
dumpster,
there.
People come pick it up.
Pick
So
it
the
up.
neighbor with them stay.
Yeah.
To the gardening.
Yeah.
Place pretty much clean. Yeah.
Yeah, man.
It's nice. Security
Yeah, man,
tight.
security tight.
Security at the gate.
Security at the gate. Yeah. Yeah, man. So, Kimbu area is the area where you find a lot of UN people. Even the apartment, I'm going to take it to UN certified, meaning that when your apartment UN certified, meaning that it's up to standard.
Right.
So UN workers can live there.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, man. So, even if you get an apartment, you can even rent it out.
Transportation is hard to get from here either, right?
No, man. That's like central. You know what I mean? It's just border Nairobi. It's literally Nairobi. You see how quick it take you to come?
Yeah, the outskirts of Nairobi.
Oh, yeah, outskirts. Yeah. See how quick it take you to reach. So, you know what I mean? You don't miss nothing. Yeah, family. So, I'm at the Loftel and we're looking at all options. As I said, guys, only one bedroom available on the ground floor. We have a few studio, and you know what I mean. So actually, going to look at a small 2-bedroom to see what it's like, family. So now, let's go. Small 2-bedroom. Yeah, family. So we're in a small 2-bedroom. How much is this going for?
2.8.
How much?
2.8.
Million?
Yeah.
What's the price for this 2-bedroom?
Yes.
2.8?
Yes. 2.8.
You sure?
Yes. The bigger one is 9.9.
Oh, 9.9. This one is?
And the small one.
Yeah, the small one is how much? This one is how much?
8.2.
8.2. All right, family. So 8.2 million Kenyan shillings for a small 2-bedroom. And the big one is 9.9.
Yes.
9.9. All right, family. So this is the bathroom. It comes with 2 bathrooms. As you can see, this one over here is the master bathroom, and this is a room right here, family. So, you know what I mean? This is a small 2-bedroom. What's the price of this one? So 8.2 million. This is the master bedroom. You can close the door like this. Yeah, family. So I'm here at the apartment, and I'm showing this apartment to my Jamaican brother. I'm here, family. This is the empty studio apartment, family. Empty studio. I doubt you can get any right now, but you can still link up with Jam Tours to see if you are lucky. We'll see if you're lucky. This is the bathroom. Very big and spacious. So, studio apartment, 1-bedroom. You know what I mean? We're here at the Loftel. Today is an open day. I'm going to show you what I go on.
Man, I like that.
You
I would get one.
They have the upgraded one
So I can sleep.
with a bigger space.
I don't want a bigger space. Money like that.
No, well, yeah.
So my daddy want to take you to see.
Stay me okay.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to look at a empty
Yes.
studio apartment
Yes.
now, family.
So in the camera, I'm handsome.
So, family, ground floor, 1-bedroom, all gone. Finished, done. Only on ground floor right now for 1-bedroom. Alright, yeah. You're here, families, so you know what I mean, you know what to do. A few studio left, so you know, say, yo, pull up and show up, because this, you know what, this done left you. Alright. Yeah, family, so, you know, when I went back to the office, you know, Dong told me that somebody's sales offer expired. So a 1-bedroom on the second floor is available, family. First come, first serve. these are going very fast. So you get like 30 days before the sales letter will expire, and if you don't pay, then they put it back on the market, family. So that's what happened, and that's the reason why we were able to actually, get to see this 1 bedroom. So, link up with Jam Tours, and we can check to see if there's anybody sales offer that expire, and then we can go ahead and match up one of this for your family. So let's go back to the office and see what is happening. Yeah, down. Yeah, we are back up. Yeah, family. So I'm at the Loftel and we're looking at all options. As I said, guys, only 1 bedroom available on the ground floor. We have a few studio, and So actually, going to look at a small 2 bedroom to see what it's like, family. So let's go. Small 2 bedroom. Yeah, family. So we finished with a sales. Yeah, family. So we in a GTC, and as I said, guys, I'm gonna take my Jamaican brother to deal with, so he can get his bank account. So we're at the GTC mall. This is what it looks like, family. New York of Nairobi. The GTC. Yeah, family. So we finished with the bank, and I'm actually at the GTC. As you can see, we finished with the bank, family, and we actually heading out. I'm actually heading to Jamrock, family, but I just want to let you guys know, when you come with Jam Tours and Jam Tours, anything is possible, family. The network that Jam Tours has, if you can tap into that, trust me, success will be at your door. So like, share, and comment on this video. I'm out. One love. To bless Jamaica. We're going here, family. So I'm at the bank with my Jamaican brother here, setting up his account. As you know, Jam Tours, we have everything connect, so you know what to do. So what you say about the tour so far? What you get?
So far, enjoying the scenery, the ins and outs of the place, what to do, what not to do.
Yeah.
Follow Jam Tours.
Yeah.
You won't go wrong.
You won't go wrong, family. As I said, guys, I have the network and connection to make things happen, and people who come around Jam Tours will experience, and they can give their testimony, family. So, when you come, link up with Jam Tours, I will take care of every needs for you to get settled and stamp your foot on the motherland. So continue watching this vlog. We're at the, the art of, Nairobi, the GTC, the big building, as you can see. It's like the New York of, of Africa, So you definitely want to pull up and see what Nairobi is like, and Jam Tours is here to take you around and move you around. So let's go.